Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to hide friend list on Facebook. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to click on the menu that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to click on the settings icon. In your settings and privacy, you have to search for friends. Now you have to select the second option, which is who can see your friend list. Now again click on it. So now from here, as you can see, you can very easily select who can see your friend list on Facebook. If you want to completely turn it off, you simply have to select the only me option that is present at the bottom. Once you have selected that, you have to click on save, and doing this will easily hide your friend list on Facebook. So that's how you hide your friend list on the Facebook application.